Native seed planting. Planted it about 2 weeks ago, and conditions have been perfect. You can see there's some clover mixed in there with it. The germination's insane. Yeah. Right here, no soil exposed. Didn't clean up much. I asked the guy, but oh well. That's what happens. Let me start getting over here. Get where there's more soil. You can see a lot of new stuff coming up down there. Get some weeds, but those just need to be clipped when they get above like 6 inches. Clip them as high as you can. A lot of new germination here. Looks good. Great start. Hot weather and moisture. Anything grows. Look at the clover in the ditch.